Hello everyone, I am Miss Saanvee, student of class 4 of Don Bosco Hojai. Today on the eve of Independence Day and on behalf of District Legal Service Authority Hojai, I am going to speak a few words about our fundamental rights and duties enshrined in the Constitution of India for the purpose of creating awareness amongst the students and all. Fundamental rights and fundamental duties. The fundamental rights and fundamental duties are sections of the Constitution of India that prescribes the fundamental duties and the rights of the citizens of India. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India which are granted to all the citizens. They are applied without discriminations on the basis of race, religion, gender, etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain conditions. Articles 1235 of Indian Constitution deal with fundamental rights. These human rights are conferred on the citizens of India for Constitution that tells that these rights are inviolable. There are 6 fundamental rights of Indian Constitution along with the constitutional articles related to them are mentioned below. First, right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Second, right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. Third, right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Fourth, right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Fifth, cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30. Sixth, right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Fundamental duties. The fundamental duties of citizens were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 upon the recommendations of the Swaran Singh Committee that was constituted by the government earlier that year. Fundamental duties are defined as the moral obligations of all citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. These duties set out in Part 4A of the Constitution concern individuals and the nation. Fundamental duties are not enforceable by courts unless otherwise made enforceable by parliamentary law. The fundamental duties noted in the Constitution are as follows. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India. First, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. Second, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom. Third, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, to remove practices derogatory to the dignity of woman. 6. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. 7th, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. For humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. To safeguard public property and to endure violence. 9th, it was 9th, okay? 10th, to strive efforts towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievements. 11th, who is a parent or guardian, to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, worth between the age of 6 to 14 years. So these are the fundamental rights and duties of the citizens of India, and being an Indian, we all need to be well aware of our fundamental rights and duties. Be proud to be Indian. Jai Hind.